You're working
So what do we
both?
have here? We've got a pina colada, Cosmo, and a Bahama Mama. And I've got my lovely friend Melissa here.
Hey guys.
Yeah. Give us your links.
Oh, so I'm Adelie on Instagram, and my page is Guilty Pleasures by Adelie. That's my website as well, .com. And I'm on Facebook, but I'm mainly on Instagram, so it's at Adelie. Yep.
Boop. And that's Tash over there. Say hello to my friends. Can you guys see me? It's your girl. Shaunz in the building. How y'all doing? Good. We'll show them around.
So we're here at Castaways, right?
We're at Castaways.
Pretty chill.
Yeah.
So far,
Castaways on the beach or something of that sort.
Is this like a river? You know what is it?
No, it's not. It's supposed to flow all the way out, but they need to open the channel.
So what is it really? A pond? Like
it's a creek.
Oh, okay. You're not in it. Thank you. And just swipe this.
This is because you know what in it? I'm gonna put her in it. Hello gorgeous people, we are at Shaunz. Hi. Tash on the camera. Mel's wearing her monokini. I mean, look at the sun setting on Antigua. Another beautiful day, people. It's so beautiful though. Can you see the clouds in the reflection in the water now?
No.
It's so pretty.
Oh, in this water.
Yeah. No. Such a pretty evening. It's really cold now?
It's freezing.
Is it?
Well, it's not quite freezing as much as it could yet, but it's not nice.
It's not bikini weather. So Melissa is wearing her lovely little monokini, as they call it. Tash is over there doing her own thing. Hello boys and girls, what is up with you all? The sun is going down beautifully and I'm trying to see if I can spot the green flash. I don't know if I'm going to see it tonight. Let's find out. But we are having a good time at Shaunz restaurant, hanging with my girl Melissa. She's right there playing on her phone.
I'm not playing, I'm actually posting.
Melly from Philly. And we're just chilling out, having a good old time, as we do. Haven't seen this girl in ages. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have not seen this girl for so long. But you know, we picked up where we left off. You know how we girls do. Anyways, I just came to say hello to you guys, and I hope you enjoy this little vlog, or whatever you want to call it. And enjoy Antigua. Anything with this video? Look at the skyline though, for real.
I just took a video.
Oh my god, I didn't see the green flash.
Sorry.
Tell you. We're at the beautiful Jackie O's Love Beach in Antigua and Barbuda. It's an absolutely smashing day here in Antigua. And this is our location. We are about to have some cocktails because it's cocktail o'clock. Why not? Yeah. I mean, this is absolute paradise. If you're not here, get on a flight, get on a boat, get on something, and come have an amazing time here with us in Antigua. Reporting from Jackie O's Love Beach. Yeah. Let me just take it around one more time. Beautiful. I just wanted to say season's greetings, you guys. Have a very Merry Christmas when it comes. If I don't see you before, have a very Merry Christmas, and I hope you're gonna enjoy, share, have a good time, and show each other love, and have a good one. I'll see you guys maybe next year, maybe 2019, if not before. Have an amazing time. Love you all. Mwah. Bye bye. We've got Priscilla popping a bottle of Prosecco. Don't worry about it, babe. It's a beach vibe. Popping a bottle of Prosecco, celebrating the Christmas season. It's a beautiful day in Antigua. We've got a lovely waitress over there. I don't know what her name is. Say hi. And then we've got Mr. Lance over there. He's trying to get out the picture. And then there's Melissa. Thank you.
Photo of you doing that. That's so awesome. Perfecto. Yes.
Thank you very much, Priscilla.
What's your name?
Priscilla.
Priscilla and Abby. Got it. Awesome.
Oh, Abby, I didn't ask you your name. I'm so
Thank
sorry.
you, ladies. This is the kind of day that I need to be having for life.
Cheers, people. Merry Christmas.
She lives here sometimes.
What is it? Cheers. Oh! Cheers. Cheers. Wait. I need to get this on camera. Cheers. Melissa, come get your drink, girl.
Okay, so what are we toasting to?
We're toasting to a very merry 2019. May all our dreams come true.
I have a lot of dreams. So
and we all have lots of dreams.
Yes.
Cheers, Stash. Cheers. Happy 2019.
Take a photo of all three of us toasting.
Yeah, Will, let me do the
like
video.
Cheers. Happy 2019, guys.
Happy 2019. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'm not sitting in the right place.
Hey, can I get you a drink right here, please?